Hello dear viewers, today I will tell you about a very important plant. In order to reach the most useful information on such issues, please follow us and do not forget to keep the notifications open. Our topic is wild lettuce, which is from the daisy family, bitter lettuce, which usually grows on the roadsides and stony areas. It has thorny, hairy, large leaves. It is also known as wild lettuce, oil lettuce and donkey lettuce. It likes dry soil and grows on its own, not planted. The leaves of this plant are collected and consumed while they are still fresh in spring. Its roots and stem are collected in the last spring months. It is used after drying in the shade. Bitter lettuce is a plant that has been used as a source of healing since ancient times. Since its taste is really bitter, its consumption area is limited in daily life. However, it is often used in medicine. When the plant is broken from the branch, a milky liquid called lacticarium flows. This milk cleans the blood and is good for stomach ailments. If you cannot drink the milk of the plant, you can dry the root and drink it like coffee. Dried root also eliminates the same problems. Use it judiciously without missing the size. If you can't drink it, you can make a pie and consume it with tea. In previous periods, bitter lettuce milk was a substance used as a narcotic in surgeries. The milk of this plant is poisonous as well as narcotic and has a sedative effect. Therefore, it is still used in medicine as a sedative in today's medicine. There is bitter milk in the stem and leaves of the plant. This milk is known as lettuce oil. That's why it is also called oil lettuce. This milk is released when the plant is plucked. This milk is known for its blood-cleansing properties. Again, this milk has calming properties. In this way, it has a sleep-inducing effect. It is good for gallbladder ailments and makes you sweat. It has a blood pressure-lowering effect. It strengthens the kidney and spleen. Dark leaves contain folic acid. It is rich in minerals, vitamin C and chlorophyll. It is said to be especially good for liver ailments. Among the benefits of bitter lettuce is that it is used in the treatment of warts. You can dry it and use it as a tea, but the best thing is to consume the salad while it is fresh. Its root, body, structure and milk are separate sources of healing. If you do not know the plant well, do not collect it alone, get help from someone who knows. Otherwise, by picking the wrong plant, you can cause serious health problems. Stay well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support the videos. I wish you to be healthier.